Can you introduce yourself first?
Yeah, sure. And thanks to giving me this opportunity. My name is Neha Bhardwaj. I live in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I'm a teacher. I used to run my coaching center, but after marriage, I live in a village, so I teach here. Apart from I'm running my YouTube channel, my channel name is Speaking Zone, and apart from I'm learning this language and I am enjoying this journey. So all this my introduction. So now it's your turn because this meeting is the first time. So please introduce yourself.
Sure, why not? Basically, I want to introduce myself first. The first time, my name is Arabali. I'm from Pakistan. I have done master in zoology. At that time, I'm doing teaching job.
Okay, you
That
are doing job.
yes,
Yes. So which subject do you teach?
biology at the
Biology.
metropolitan. Yes,
So
when,
why are you learning this language? What is the main purpose to learn this? Because I think your field is different.
yes, different but related with the English.
Yeah,
Relate,
because in a CBSE board, all the books are available in the
all
English medium.
written in English. So therefore, we have to learn English. Without English, we can't read some sentence, some words, some books.
Yeah, you are right. So English is a very required to learn everyone because all the books are available right now. ICSE board and CBSE board in a English medium. Because I am also a teacher, so I know everything about the structure of the studies material. So I know biology 9 to 10th. I used to teach physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology is a good subject, but 11th or 12th biology, it is
You
not in
teach,
my. Yeah,
you
because
teach at the high level. Mean with the 12th standard.
9 to 10th standard, I teach math, science, and English. Yeah, but 11th or 12th, I only teach maths and science. But if talk about the biology, some person consulted to me to learn for the biology, but I have no time, so that's why I refuse to them. But I think 12th class standard biology is too broad in a deep
Yes.
way study need to, so I don't like too much. I don't have too much knowledge about it, but yeah, according to physics and chemistry, biology is easy.
But chemistry is much difficult. You
Yeah,
know
no,
about chemistry.
but
There
difficult.
is sometime happen at reaction. So there we stunk on some reaction. So there we are unable to read. We are unable to learn with the difficult.
What is the matter is this only if we don't know about anything, so we think about only this is a difficult for me. If we know
Yes.
about it, so it will be easy for us. So I
Yes.
observed, uh, I have experienced this thing. Suppose that we have a new subject and we don't know about that subject, so we think about only this is a very difficult subject for us. But after getting knowledge, we can get understand all the things, and we can say this is not too much difficult. uh, the matter
Yes.
of the
You are
understanding.
mean that yes. You are mean that initially whatever we start works at that time that situation every work looking difficult. With the passage of time, it's become too easy.
Yeah. So are you
Because
YouTube?
they are much time, so they, therefore they are looking to easy.
Yeah, you are right. So are you YouTuber?
Yes, why not? Recently, 1 week before I have to start. upload some videos.
Yeah, so
And
enjoy
the
your
first,
yeah, it is a lot of the things you have to learn it, and yeah, really very nice journey. And you should enjoy this journey also, because in this way we can
yes,
learn lots of things. We can converse to the many
and
people.
now situation, yes, and at the now situation, I feel better than the before. When I'm starting, when I'm making conversation with the first videos, I think so. That name is Mansi. She had much talented. She had more knowledge.
Yeah,
English housewife channel. I'm talking about her.
yeah,
So
I know. Yeah, she is a very
at
cute.
that time, yes, at that time I feel very nervous and feel very shy when I'm talking her. So in front of camera, some telling some sentence are very difficult at the first time. With the passage of time, it become easy.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. I talk to many persons also, many YouTubers. I talk to them. Firstly, I talk to the English with Dhyati ma'am. I think you know about the Yashoda ma'am. So that time,
I watch I
yeah,
watch some videos.
yeah. So when I talked to her, so I was very nervous in front of her, and I did lots of the mistake as a grammatical mistakes that time period, because it was the first conversation for me, and I was too excited to converse with her. But gradually, I learned lot of the things. How can we converse to the others with confidence? So it will be it easy for me. Mm. So that's
Yes,
why
uh,
now,
first time we have to learn some words, some sentence. We should not learn grammar. If we focus on the grammar side, then we stuck on some sentence, some some word. So
no,
we
but
just listen,
then
just have to learn, listen, and then we are able to speak English.
yeah,
If we have knowledge, then we are able to speak. If we have no knowledge, so how we can speak English, how we can speak other language.
yeah.
Meaning
But
listening
in my
power is much better than the speaking power.
yeah, you are right. But in my perception, I think grammar is the base. Yeah, not too much grammar is important, but basically grammar is a very required to speak out it any conversation. Suppose that you are saying something. If you are talking to the present tense, and instead of in spite of this you are talking in the past tense, so how can we identify what are you saying? Other people can't understand properly. So this is the reason behind this. I think basic structure is a very important to converse
Yes,
in this language.
I will just give you one example. If a baby birth in the other cities, for example, if a baby birth at the foreign country, American English, British area, so there is we can't teach with the grammar. Just teach us the simple sentence. Then they are able to speak native
I
language.
truth, whatever we observe, so we are able to speak it easily. When we talk to the others, so we can converse easily. But I'm talking about the tenses only. Suppose that you
Yes.
the tenses. So how can you identify in which situation I have to use this tense? So only basic required to speak out in this sentence. Am I right
Yes,
or wrong?
the more we break the sentence, break word, so then we are able to learn some word, some sentence from the mistake. If a person is not making mistake, it means it's not learning some word, some sentence, some other language.
So do you have any topic to discuss?
I will. You will ask me some question. I
Okay,
will.
so
Yes.
I think
How is weather in there? Can you tell about the weather?
weather is a very cold. You can see, I see the, you can see my cap because it is a too much cold
Yes,
here
yes,
also. So that's why
yes.
only. Yeah. People can't able to go outside because it is a too fog day and night also. And right now it is a night time period and it is a too cold area. Because I live in a village, so in a village, only fields are available here and there. So it is a too much cold here.
Is there, are you near to the Mumbai or Delhi side?
No, I'm from the Mathura. Uh, it is far from Delhi, 150 kilometers.